Uncle Maddie!
What's
up, man?
Good, man. What's up with you?
Okay. You know, grinding every day.
What's your weekend?
Long, man, but my favorite day of the week.
What's up?
That Got to Cook. It's your boy Josh X.
Chef Manny here.
And we on That Got to Cook. Uncle Manny, what we making today?
Well, today I'm going to make your favorite dish. Since it's grilling season,
okay.
I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful burger.
Wow.
Using the Beyond Burger meat.
Okay.
With sauteed mushroom.
Wow.
And with that, we're going to serve that with a beautiful arugula and avocado salad.
All right.
Drizzled with balsamic vinegar.
Okay.
And olive oil.
Wow. So you mean to tell me we got a Beyond Burger? We're going all vegetarian today.
Vegan.
Vegan with some mushrooms, some spices. We're going to get into that. And we got a beautiful arugula avocado salad. Alright, let's get started. We on That Got to Cook. Let's see what Chef Manny's all about.
And lately, baby, I've been in my Mercedes. My destination, girl, is pointing to you. I can't wait to come on to you.
What's going on first?
Okay, right now we gotta try to do the burgers and the sauteed mushroom at the same time.
Okay.
The first thing we do, we're gonna drizzle maybe a teaspoon of olive oil, right?
Oh, put that on that pot. Let me see that drizzle. Let me see that. Okay.
Drizzle olive oil.
Okay.
And then
what's that flavor, man?
this is
Don't hold out
garlic
on
chili.
the flavors.
But you could use whatever olive oil
but
you
I
want.
want to know your flavors
but
too.
this one is garlic chili from Dash and Drizzle.
Because you know my uncle really
Okay.
fancy. So you
now
know,
this is the Beyond meat patties. You see those two beautiful patties right here, right?
filled with no animal.
What you do is
Okay.
you add a little bit salt and pepper on both sides.
Wow. That's fancy.
So you could use whatever salt you want, but Josh wants the heat.
Yes, I got the heat. Let me tell you guys, this right here is the best, one of the best salt that I've ever tasted in my life, man. Please put a little extra on there for me, bro.
It's called Trinidadian Scorpions. It's a very hot sea salt.
For the salters. Real good.
Stuff.
This one's real good.
So right now, Josh, we're going to cook this on both sides, right?
All right.
For 3 minutes each, right?
3 minutes?
3 minutes each.
3 minutes on each side.
On each side.
I can do that. That's easy.
Yeah.
So far, everything's easy because, you know, I'm a busy guy. I don't really got, you know, time to be doing fancy.
All right. It is also very important to cover it because you want to retain the moisture of the patty.
Smells incredible already.
Okay. So now while we're doing that, we're going to start cooking our vegetables, right? We're going to saute our mushrooms, right?
Let's show them how pretty them vegetables before
you got some oyster mushroom with some cremini mushroom, or you could
they're like Mario Kart.
Baby bells, right? So you drop it there.
All right.
Right.
You got a very serious cook, Uncle Man.
So now you have that in there. And then you have also some onions and garlic, right?
Wow.
So you're gonna saute these guys together.
Can I? Ooh, I get a smell. It's starting to smell like something.
All right, Jesse.
It's starting to smell like something.
So now we gotta watch your timer, right?
Okay.
3 minutes on both sides, right?
3 minutes.
So now it's 6:20. For 3 minutes, we're gonna flip it.
All right. You need my help with some of this flipping?
Yes, you wanna do that?
Yeah, of course. Right. You know they call me Chef X sometimes when you're not around. You know, sometimes. Just for a quick hype or a good night. You know what I mean?
So
for
you
the
want to
ladies.
saute the onion and the mushroom until they're nicely soft.
Let me protect my piano fingers.
Right.
You got that. All right, Uncle Man, he's smelling something real good.
Right, I'm just gonna add a little bit more.
A little bit more
garlic.
oil. A little more garlic oil.
Okay. While we're doing that, our burger is cooking, right?
We got 3 minutes. How many more minutes left? 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes, and then we're gonna flip that.
Ooh, this is smelling good. I can smell that spicy salt, Trinidadian scorpion salt.
Okay, so while we're doing that, Josh, we're gonna add a teaspoon of what you call super spicy kimchi paste, right?
Whoa.
That give it a nice kick too.
Wow. And we're gonna start to show some of y'all where y'all can get some of these fancy products because Chef Manny uses specific products. So if you like to try some of them, we're gonna list some of the places you can get some of these at. You know what I mean? Because Chef Manny definitely keeps it fancy in the kitchen.
All right, guys.
Incredible.
See, this sauteed mushroom, you guys could have it with burgers. You could also have it with chicken. You could have it with fish. or steak, whatever you choose. But it is a very good one.
This smells incredible.
So as you can see, it's nice and brown, right?
Man.
Nice and soft.
One more
right?
minute to flip it. One more minute.
Okay.
Put it all on top of that.
Okay, and the last I'm gonna add on this, it's a teaspoon of black pepper marinade, right?
I can smell it in the air. I can smell it now. Good thing I ain't eat all day.
You could add 2, but I usually add 1, but 2 is good. Okay.
Wow.
That's the black pepper. And,
so we got a black pepper in there.
black pepper marinade.
Marinade. Wow, fancy. Black pepper marinade.
You have shiitake, you have oyster mushrooms and creamy mushrooms in there, right?
Okay. 627, Uncle Man. We got to put that bad boy.
We got to flip the burger. Okay. You follow me, right?
We got to flip that thing. Flip it, flip it. Flip it.
Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at how beautiful this, right?
Okay.
That is going to be nice and moist.
That is gorgeous.
Cold bread again.
I'll tell you one thing. Doesn't look like that when I cook it.
For another 3 minutes, Josh, right?
Okay.
In the meantime, you make sure this is nice.
Y'all smell that? Y'all smell that? Smells good, right? Thank God it's all for me. Yes. Yes. Come on, man. Keep whipping it up. Keep whipping it up.
Yeah, you like that?
That looks great. We got 3 minutes on the clock on the other side. Total of 6 minutes.
See, that is done right now. Your mushroom is good, right?
That looks, how do you know it's done?
Because you could see it's turned nice and brown, right?
So when you get a nice brown color, you want to say it's done?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
And it's nice and soft.
So when it's
then
nice and brown and soft.
Put little parsley in there.
I like how you flick the wrist with the parsley. That was fancy. All right.
And this is your topping for your burger, right?
Okay.
You could have that by itself as a good meal too, if you want.
No, it looks incredible. That look good over some white rice.
So this is done. Yeah.
All right. We got 2 more minutes on the patties. So far, we are really real good. That guy can cook. Chef Manny has got us a super beyond burger. It's got a bunch of spices in the pot. I'm gonna take a couple seconds, get my appetite ready, and I'll be right back. Right now, we got the vegetables, the mushrooms, the onions, all sauteing, getting nice. We got 1 more minute on the patty. It's your boy, Chef Manny, getting crazy. It smells incredible. All right, Uncle Manny, the moment of truth is here. We have this beautiful burger with this beautiful salad. Get a look at this salad. Look how incredible this salad looks, man. We got avocado, cherry tomatoes, arugula. Let's get back to this burger though, because you know I don't be passing on the vegetables. You know
so this is the beautiful patties.
Yes.
It's Beyond Meat.
Yes.
But when you try this, you're gonna feel like you're having a meat burger, but it's not. It's got very good protein,
It's got the salty
packed with vitamins, right?
Yeah.
And I'm using a vegan bun. You could use whatever bun if you're a vegetarian, but if you're a vegan, this is a good bun for you, right?
Okay.
And now we got this beautiful sauteed mushrooms that we're gonna use as the topping.
Yes.
Right?
Could you put some of that beautiful sauteed mushroom on
Let's
this
do
burger for
this,
me?
okay?
Ah, right there.
Do one
Yeah,
here.
just make one. You don't gotta make 2, because if you make 2, I'm gonna eat it. Just one of them bad boys
Gonna
up.
do it here, right?
Okay, what's next?
We're gonna put little greens in there.
Gotta put some greens.
And put little greens in there. Then we're gonna move that to the beautiful plate here.
Okay.
So now we
Fancy
take our
plate.
beautiful salad.
Oh,
Now,
that's my favorite part.
We're gonna mix that up with a beautiful lemon cucumber balsamic vinegar.
And it is beautiful, I say.
It's a nice.
Take it easy now. Don't go too crazy, because that's my
Oh, that's
favorite.
yours. I forgot.
Let me
Sorry.
get that. Pass me that.
And also we're using Meyer lemon olive oil.
Wow.
These are from Dash and Drizzle, so it's good stuff. They both pair very well in any salad.
Wow.
Right? So now once you do that, put a little bit more.
And then mix it up.
And you mix it up together. This is your salad dressing.
Shoo. Arugula, arugula, arugula.
Alright guys, look at this. Arugula is very good for you.
Yes.
Mixed well with avocado.
Yes. Back to the burger part.
Okay?
The part is, you know, it's
After I'm done
calling
with
me.
that, now I'm gonna add this.
It's calling. I can hear it calling me.
Alright guys, look at this. Look at how beautiful this is, right?
Yeah. That's a lot of vegetables for me. It's a lot of vegetables.
Alright, you need a little tomato.
Alright.
To give it a little color. You need a little avocado here.
You trying to turn me to Popeye?
Right? Now, we're gonna add, this is called miso ginger carrot butter.
Wow.
It's not actually real butter, but this is made out of miso and ginger and carrots, right?
Dab a little bit of that in the burger.
Yeah, in the bun.
This is incredible.
Look at this, guys. Right? Now you got the little grains in it. Make it beautiful.
Wow.
Make this very nice and pretty. Right?
You was dressing me up.
This is a little bit red charred to give it a little color, right? And there you go. This is it.
All right. Hurry
This
up
is
and take your pictures, y'all, because I'm telling you I'm about to go in. I'm about to go in. We going in. We going in.
Enjoy, guys.
All right.
This is the good stuff right here.
Come on, come on. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in.
Feel the heat. What do you think, Josh?
It's incredible. This is the best burger, excuse me, that I had in a very long time. Killed it, Uncle Manny.
Thank you. I appreciate you, Josh.
You definitely impressed me with the butter though. That's what I really like the most, I think. The butter, the garlic, what'd you call it again?
Ginger, miso, carrot, butter.
Jesus.
Okay.
Sauteed mushrooms.
Incredible. That got to cook. It's your boy Josh X.
Chef Manny.
Make sure y'all tune in, subscribe to our page, follow us on YouTube, and make sure y'all tell a friend. That got to cook. I'm running off with the burger.
Cheers.
Okay, I'm kinda rude. I'm a million miles away from home. I can't leave you in that bed alone. Lately, baby, I've been missing you.